Before this video starts, gonna go ahead and let you guys know I'm giving away some of my favorite Dyno Wax products completely free, no weird gimmicks or anything like that. I just kind of want to give back to you guys and give everybody a chance to win some of these products. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. It is on my Facebook page. A couple rules to follow just to be kind of put into the little drawing, but that's it, no strings attached. Also want to give a really big shout out, Fast Tech Performance. I made a video which is also on Facebook. This is kind of an exclusive thing. If you guys aren't on my Facebook page, definitely go check it out. I post daily. You get to see a lot of cool behind the scenes stuff, just some random posts that I put up there. But Fast Tech actually shared a video where, what I'm going to tell you, I'm going to put a link below and let you guys watch it. It is hilarious. But alright, we'll go ahead and get into the video. Alright, what's going on, guys? Jeremy here. Something happened earlier, extremely irritated. You can see the car here, got the hood up, got the trunk up. Basically, I was heading to Cars and Coffee in Wake Forest, North Carolina. Probably got about 10 minutes from the house. The car was running great, honestly, really good. Pulled up to a traffic light. As I was kind of coasting, going down to the traffic light, car just completely lost power. I noticed it, the sound when it came down to an idle, it just slowly kept dropping and died. I mean, it was all so quick. So basically left me stranded in the road. Honestly, thank God I have everything out of the back here. I was able to get to the battery. Luckily, I had a 10mm in the car so I could disconnect the battery terminals. Took a couple tries resetting it, and it finally worked, and I could kind of get it back to the house. Now, the only thing was about every probably 3 minutes, the car would do the same thing. Voltage is good. Voltage is at 14.8. I'm not 100% sure what's going on. I think I have an idea, but we'll see, and I'll actually talk about that when I get inside the car here. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys for a ride in the Camaro, see if it does it again. So here we are in the Camaro. See if it'll do it again. I'll go ahead and tell you now exactly what I think is going on, and it's this piece right here. Now, I was freaking out as soon as this happened. I was literally in the middle of the road on the way to Cars and Coffee. First thing I thought, I was like, dang, it's probably that throttle controller. I've seen so many reviews about it. Some people either love it, some people hate it. I've seen where it does put these cars in reduced engine power mode as well as turn the StabiliTrak light on. I got both of those as well as an engine light. So, I'm not going to put them on blast yet, but I do have a feeling that this is kind of what caused it. The odd thing is with that though is so I was in the middle of the road, door open, people trying to get around me. I went ahead and pulled the throttle controller out, got everything hooked up just how it was from the factory. Car started up after I disconnected the battery, which actually took a couple of times, but the car did start up. I thought I was smooth sailing. I still didn't go to Wake Forest because it's about an hour away from me. So I was like, you know, just take it back to the house and just call it a day, because I was already in a bad mood. I was cussing, screaming. I'm in a little bit of a better mood now. That's probably going to change here in a minute, because I do know the car is about to leave us stranded again. So let's see if we can kind of recreate what happened. I've got the GoPro here, obviously. I've got the DSLR. If it does happen, I'll try to put the DSLR kind of on the gauges here, so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. What I'm honestly thinking is it was this Vitesse throttle controller. The car obviously has a pretty large cam in it, dyno tune, so I don't know if this kind of messed with the parameters on the tune. Maybe it did something with the drive-by-wire throttle body. I don't know, but something definitely is going on. So let's go ahead. Let me get my camera ready for when this happens. Let's go ahead and take her for a drive. See how this goes. Hopefully we make it out of the neighborhood. So as you can see, drives right now, no issue. But yeah, downshifts, coming to stoplights or stop signs, that seems to be when it does it. Now right after I reset the battery, it doesn't. It normally takes a little bit of driving to do it, probably no more than a couple minutes of driving. Driving it just like I normally would. Seems okay right now. It's just extremely frustrating. And unfortunately, I live around all back roads. I don't know what's worse, being stuck in the city in the middle of the road or on a back road. Biggest thing on a back road is I don't really have anywhere to pull over. But even in the city, you know, people can kind of get around me. So let's downshift to third. Nothing yet. Take it to fourth. It's like, I don't want it to do it, but in a way I kind of do want it to do it so you guys can kind of see what in the world is going on. It's driving me nuts. Alright, I'm going to push the clutch in and come to turn right here. Let's see what happens. It's not doing it. Alright. Since it did say stability track 2, I'm going to turn traction control off. I'm going to do a little pull right here. I'm not really going to get it hard, but I do want to see. So a little pull. Nothing, it's not doing it. We're at 14.8 volts. I was thinking it could be battery or alternator related too, but it's not looking like it as far as where the voltage is. It's not doing it, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna go to neutral and hold the clutch in. And then downshift. Doing it. Okay guys, here it is. Car's shaking like crazy. You smell fuel?
Yeah, smell fuel. It's not good.
Popping the hood. Engine light, stability track. Motor shaking. So this is exactly what happened, guys. Throttle controller's been out since this morning. I pulled the terminals off, reset it for 30 minutes or so. And it was fine for what? We've been driving 10, 15 minutes?
Yeah, at least 15 from your house to here. And you actually got on it a couple times too. And it drove smooth as ice.
I don't understand.
It's definitely getting fuel because we can smell the fuel, so it's loading up. So it's back to firing, tune, injector failure maybe? Leaking injector, that's the reason I was looking at the flashlight, but I didn't see nothing going on there. Gas nowhere.
Alright, now I'm gonna fire it up after resetting everything.
It's fine.
Huh?
It's fine. Not a problem. Idling fine.
All right, what do you guys think?
Anybody had this problem before? We got so many things we need to check into.
Let's get it to O'Reilly's. All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, guys, so back on the road. This was kind of, I don't know, I had like a random thought possibly it might be the two-step where it goes up to the coil packs.
Genius.
It may be genius. Good thing here, I didn't have to restart the battery to get the car to start. Fired right up. It ran a little rough for a second, but it's good now.
Which is understandable.
Engine light is still on. Before, well, obviously I pulled the battery terminal, the engine light would go away, which honestly, that it's kind of hit or miss. It could go away, it could stay on, but engine light's still on, which is good. That's what we want, so we can go get codes off of this thing. We'll just have to see. The only other thing we can do is not reset the battery, hook those back up without resetting anything, and see if it starts acting funny again.
Yeah, process elimination.
All right, so I was filming. We had a lady here named Hope at O'Reilly's help us out. What we did, we disconnected these, basically the dummy plugs for the two-step, and did not reset the light, and everything
was fine. It was running lots of
yeah. Shout out to O'Reilly's in Fuquay.
Thank you, O'Reilly's.
All right, can we bring this in here? Where's those little handheld scanners?
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cool. Oh, dang, those are the expensive ones.
It depends. Do you want just the code and then you can hook it to your phone to Bluetooth it? Like this one's Bluetooth. It hooks to your phone.
Oh, dang.
Or this one tells you just the code. Or this one
That
tells
Bluetooth
you,
one's
like,
nice.
The code and a brief description.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah, let's get that one.
This one?
Yeah.
But just out of curiosity, how much better is the $164 one? Because it's only a little bit more expensive. I mean, is it?
You buying?
I help you. Just get it. Just do it. Just do it.
You know
Just get
you
it.
find it.
Just get it. Peer pressure.
Oh wait, just
All the cool kids are doing it, honestly.
96 to 2013 GM.
All the cool kids have those.
Okay, well.
Let's see what we can get on Amazon. See if we can find one cheaper on Amazon.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, you're not supposed to say stuff like that in front of us.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Let me do it in code.
I knew exactly what that meant.
We may come back and do that actually.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks, guys. O'Reilly's in Fuquay. Can I film you?
For
YouTube. I'll give you the channel if you want to watch it,
We're famous.
or I can cut you out.
as long as you leave my clothes on.
Yeah, we'll leave your clothes on.
And darn, there goes my
Yeah. All right. Well, it's Nasty2ss if you want to watch it. We'll probably break something and be back. See ya.
Let's definitely break something, that's for sure.
Yeah. All right, so back in the car, JJ ran back into O'Reilly's real quick, basically to write down the YouTube channel name so they don't forget to watch. So, but no, thanks Hope, O'Reilly's. I didn't get the other people's names, but awesome customer service. They came out here just like that and pulled this code for us real quick. So I really do appreciate that. And we're gonna take it back to the house. We're not but probably 5-10 minutes from the house, so we're gonna go ahead and see how it does there and give you an update once we get there.
Thanks to the guys at O'Reilly's, Hope. Thank you very much, ma'am. I know we kind of freaked you out there to start with, but thank you for helping us out. You were awesome.
Yeah, we didn't try and come off weird or anything like that. That's why it's weird having a channel and trying to record. Like, that's honestly the first time I've ever gone to an auto parts store and recorded inside to film anybody. But thanks for being cool about it. And O'Reilly's, corporate's never going to see this, but Hope was extremely awesome. Everybody else there was really good, so I think they all deserve raises.
A cool guy at the desk, he was awesome.
Yes, he was really cool.
The other very nice lady, she was there, she was very helpful. And it is weird, dude, because, you know, you're YouTube famous locally, especially. You know, a lot of people recognize you, and then some people don't recognize you because they're not into the car scene, you know?
Yeah.
But what's cool about it is that, you know, when somebody does find out, you know, the reaction is just hilarious. You know, they're like, you know, so excited about it. You know, and that's really awesome.
She probably thinks this car is slow as hell. I guarantee. She reminds me of, like, I don't know her demeanor or what, but she reminds me of somebody who was raised on damn race cars.
Yeah.
Watch, she's probably got a damn 8-second Camaro or Mustang
Yeah,
or something.
Mustang or
Well, I
something, yeah.
guarantee she probably grew up on a track.
Yeah.
I got that vibe.
Yeah, you got that vibe that she's been around cars a lot.
Oh yeah. Reduced power.
Oh, are you really getting it?
Yeah, so we just got reduced power again.
How's it idling though? Is it
Horrible.
Yeah,
It's idling horrible.
That's so weird.
All right.
Well, wait just a minute.
See if it starts right back up. So that's what it does. It won't start. Press clutch to start engine.
Wait just a minute. So it's saying, all right, when you got the clutch in, it's saying that up here?
Yeah. Press clutch to start engine.
So even when you got the clutch in, it's saying that?
Yeah. Something in the
Micro switch?
wiring down there.
Yeah, the micro switch, you know, into your clutch, your safety clutch, your safety assembly. Can you undo that micro switch from it?
We'll do it at the house. We'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so I think we may have figured it out. There's JJ about to leave. I'll honk at him. So here's what I think's going on. I'll show you guys real quick. I don't know if this, oh, my battery's done. I don't know if this wire goes into a safety switch, but I had this hooked up to the clutch. You can see when I push the clutch, it pulls the wire with it. So I think it was coming in and out where I wired the two-step into the clutch. Basically just a power source, but pulled that off. It hasn't done it yet, so we'll see. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. I'll keep you guys updated. Anyways, guys, I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.